tonight, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here always talking about having the mindset of success and having that right attitude with the right behavior and with the right mindset. Thoughts have a creative power, and it is so powerful that you need to all be aware and recognize the power of your thoughts. Your thoughts have the power to lift you up. It has the power to tear you down. It can actually build your self-confidence, or it can actually ruin your life. Empower your beliefs. All you have to do is to improve your quality of your thoughts, the way you think about your world, and the way you speak in your world. If there are limits in your mind, there will be limits in your life. If there are poverty in your mind, there will be poverty in your life. If there are fear in your mind, fear will also be present in your life. If you don't like something about yourself, about your life, if you think there are things that you can do because you were told that they were impossible for you to achieve, all you have to do is to correct the thoughts, the way you think, and the words you speak. And if you do this, you will be able to create new, healthier beliefs. New, creative beliefs will later give you the strength, the courage, build your confidence to start doing these things. And you will recognize that nothing is impossible, for all things are possible. Beliefs that will make you realize the impossible will become the reality. Impossible is nothing. What you think of yourself is everything. Change your thoughts and change your beliefs. Change your beliefs and change your whole world. I am happy everyone is listening to my podcast video, and I want you all to work on this area with your thoughts. Renew your mind with new beliefs, new creative ones. Remember, your thoughts have the power to lift you up or the power to tear you down, the power to increase your confidence or the power to damage your self-image, and perhaps it can ruin your life. Your thoughts are powerful. If you want to live a good, empowering quality of life, you need to empower your thoughts in the way that you think and the words that you speak. The words that you speak comes from the very part of your heart. So what you speak is what you are.